Good morning, Dundalk Middle School. This is Alexia.
I'm Riley.
Bring your morning announcements.
On WDMS News.
Today is Tuesday, March 8th, 2016, B-Day. Today in history.
Here's a look at this day in history. March 8th.
In 1862, the Confederate ironclad warship Virginia sank 2 Union warships off the coast near Hampton Roads, Virginia. On this day in 1948, the U.S. Supreme Court ruled that religious instruction in public schools was unconstitutional. Today in 1999, baseball legend Joe DiMaggio passed away. And on this day in 1917, a revolution erupted in Russia. Food shortages, harsh working conditions, and a dismal economy plagued the country. Riots and strikes broke out in Petrograd. 1 week later, Nicholas II abdicated his throne, which paved the way for a communist takeover. And that's this day.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance and the DMS Pledge.
Allegiance to the flag
of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. I am safe, I am respectful, and I am responsible at Dundalk Middle School and in my community.
Please be seated.
Today's math problem is line graphs display change over blank. Label the x and y axis for your line graph. Be sure to choose the appropriate scale for the y axis. Be sure to let your math teacher know if you can solve it.
Now here's Melina with today's weather.
It was 44 degrees this morning. It will be partly cloudy today with a high of 70 degrees. Here's the weather for the remainder of the week. Now for the sports report. The Washington Capitals beat Anaheim Ducks 2-1 last night. This places them 20 points ahead of the second place team in their league. To put this in perspective, the other first place teams and other leagues of the National Hockey League are only 1 point ahead of the second place teams. Way to go, Capitals. Also, I would like to make a formal apology to Mr. Monaco. We were on a tight schedule and, sorry. So, now back to Alexia and Riley.
Thank you, Melina. Now for the word of the day. The topic for this week's words of the day is thoughts and beliefs. Today our word is profound. In her essay about strength and democracy, Geraldine made us several profound points. Can you tell me what profound means? Once again, today's word of the day is profound.
The yearbook forms are incorrect. Hardcover yearbooks are only $5 more than softcover yearbooks, not $6 more. And here's Mr. Kirby with an announcement.
Good morning, DMS. Just reminding all of you guys that want to do a spring sport that paperwork is fastly approaching its due date. Tennis and track are going to be starting next week, March 15th, and we're still waiting for a lot of physicals. Remember, if you get the forms from the nurse, we can actually have a nurse practitioner see you tomorrow, Wednesday, or possibly even next week. But you need to get that paperwork in if you want to be a part of our sports this year. All right, have a great day.
Hey DMS students, do you want to help your neighbors to have a better environment? If so, help. All you need to do is go around your neighborhood with your neighbors to clean up for 15 minutes. Then you go on to the website, which is on all the flyers around the school, to record your work that you have done. Also, the school can win $4,000 for cleaning up more than any other school. And you can get service learning hours. If you don't know what service learning hours are, they can help you get into a great high school and college.
If you like pizza and cake, remember to be reading the Black Eyed Susan nominated books and let Miss Gibson know in the library.
Drama Club will be rehearsing after school this Wednesday. The entire cast is needed for rehearsing Act 1. Remember to bring your scripts.
The Reading Adventure Club will meet this Wednesday after school in room 212B.
Congratulations to Logan Gronke. His poster won second place in the 2016 Baltimore County State's Attorney's Anti-Drug Poster Contest. His poster will be included in 2016-2017 calendar. We are proud of all the students that submitted great posters.
Our club will meet Thursday this week.
Mr. Seminazzi's Mod 2 Tech class should report to the 101 lab today, not his classroom. Good morning, Dundalk Middle School. This is Riley with a few words of wisdom. When I ask you to name a genius, who comes to mind? Most of you would say Albert Einstein, one of the world's most famous geniuses. Now listen to what he has to say to us today. Try not to become a man of success, but rather try to become a man of value. We are all valuable as human beings. Each one of us has something valuable to contribute to the world, and it's perfectly wonderful to want to be successful in your life. But what Mr. Einstein probably means is this. If you focus on your value as a person and the value of what you can contribute up to the world, it will naturally lead you to a more successful life. Today, make a mental list of all your valuable qualities and then remember to value yourself and others. Something to think about. This is Riley. Have a great day or not, the choice is yours. And here's a message from our administration.
The administrators wishes you a good school day. Good luck, 8th graders, on their science test.
This is Alexia
And Riley.
Have a terrific Tuesday.